there's a technical error, the show must go on. Isama si Gabong palakpakan naman po dyan, Barangay Maslog! Graduated with a bachelor degree in computer science and took up business administration, major in finance management in University of Santo Tomas. I am proud to represent Barangay Rawis, Legazpi City. My name is Rian Mendez Lopez na nag-iiwan po sa inyo ng hindi po bastos at makakapulutan niyo po ng aral. Ang lahat ng nagmamataas ay siyang ibinababa. At ang lahat ng nagpapakumbaba ay siyang itinataas. Therefore, we are born to be true and never, ever to be perfect. At lagi niyo pong tatandaan, mas maitom, mas magayon. Thank you so much.